What week's it, Josh?
It's week 42 this one.
I'm wearing the same clothes as week 41. How did that happen?
I think you've been home or changed. You've been working since last week.
Anyways, you don't need to know all about the intricacies of the fact that we filmed twice in one day and then 8 double portions of everything. This week, which is week 42, we have gone to a place called Africa, West Africa to be precise. And Josh is going to tell us all about our West African inspired 3-course menu. What's for the starter, Josh?
So inspired being the operative word. So to start with, we have got like a cauliflower jollof. So jollof is normally a rice dish, but we've made it with cauliflower. So basically grated down some cauliflower and mixed it with lots of spices to make the jollof, a cauliflower version of the
bit
jollof
like
rice. Baked rather than sort of boiled. So yeah. And then we have something called contomia that is traditionally made with egusi, which are melon seeds. We've made it with pumpkin seeds. We've got some nice spices and kale going through that. And then we've got some really hot sauce and some coconut milk kind of dressing and some pickled red onions on there. So pretty banging.
It smells absolutely amazing when you're cooking that. I can't wait to eat it.
And then the main course, we've got some lovely chicken leg that we sort of roast, and then we've made a sauce called yassa. So yeah, it's called chicken yassa basically. We've made the sauce and the chicken separately. It's a really zingy kind of sauce, and there's olives and parsley dressing with some chilies, some quinoa underneath, and anything else on there. I think that's about it.
Not just
Peanuts.
quinoa either, is it?
It's Shropshire quinoa.
Grown in the old Shropshire.
Yeah.
And then for birds, it's a lime drizzle cake, basically, in essence. Pretty tasty. And that's being served with an extra bit of lime drizzle, some lime creme fraiche, and a peanut brittly, crunchy, tasty thing. Lots of peanuts going on all over the world on this menu.
Yeah.
It's kind of heavily used ingredient in African cuisine. So followed it through here. I don't know, pretty tasty menu. Yeah. We can't wait to dig in. There's probably some new flavours in here for us, let alone you guys. So we're going to tuck in, enjoy. If you like the looks of it, you can order it online at CSONS.uk. You'll get a wonderful meal kit that will allow you to recreate these 3 dishes in the comfort of your lovely homes. See you next week.